All right, so let's continue in here. So we are going to create like an application middleware. Oh, I kind of like this one. So yeah, probably I'm going to have to create that. So let me go in here, and then what we are going to say it's a new middleware. And can I do, probably that is going to create another folder. So in here I want to create this authentication file middleware, and this middleware is just going to say if it is not authenticated, then go to the next one. If it is authenticated, then go to the next one. If not, then say it's not authenticated. And then we can go into our routes.out, and we can say, oh, that is so interesting. Get the current user and a logout endpoint. So I like that. So I think we still can keep on going the way we have it. So in here, we are going to incorporate this middleware. So basically, as I mentioned in Express, it works as a plugin system. So it creates a middleware that is going to intercept the request, and then it does something, and then it passes to the next one if the middleware is successful, which is kind of what these two things are going to do. So I'm going to copy and paste these ones because they are not that big. And then what you can see in there, yeah, they keep on deleting like that, but ESLint is not very happy with it. So let me, I wonder, yeah, let me try that. And hopefully it will not password, and then just return the request.user. Okay, so basically we created two new endpoints, and these ones are going to be important, and this is critical for React, because since React it's client server rendered, like we cannot get actually for this one, it should be the password hash, I think. I wonder why they have it like that. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Yes. So, yeah, I think this has to be the password hash. So let's see. So basically, this one is going to return. We are going to have an endpoint that returns the current password if the user is already authenticated, and we are also creating another one that logs out. So basically, this one is going to call request logout, and then if it is successful, then it returns correct, and if not, it returns that. And this is probably like a function that it's added by the middleware in there. Okay. So now we can test these ones as well. So let's say I do that one, this one is working, and then if I take a look at that one, I do have here my cookies.txt, which is the one that we want. So I am actually going to run this curl command, which is basically login to API out user. So basically it is going to be pinging that one, and then it is going to bring these cookies with it. So if I do that, then it's telling me that the user is not authenticated. So let's actually try, must be logged in. So I am going to register, and that one say user created successfully. Then I am going to log in, and now that I logged in, I am going to call the cookies one. And when I do that, then you can see here is the user that is being returned. And then now that that one is working, I can do another one for logging out. So in this case, we are pinging the logout, or attacking the logout. And then if I do that, the logout was successful. And then finally, if I try to get the current user again, which we get with this one, then it says that it's not authenticated. So it is working in this case. Let me stop this one short so it doesn't get that long as the previous one.